Did Insta360 just accidentally leak its next camera? Or was this planned all along? Because here's the thing, what everyone thought was a random store leak of the Insta360 Luna turns out to be something very different. And honestly, once you understand what actually happened, the whole situation gets way more interesting. In this video, we're breaking down what that in-store sighting really was, what it tells us about Luna's launch timeline, and why this might be Insta360 quietly building hype before the official reveal. So, let's clear this up first. Those images you saw online were not some accidental shelf leak. They came from a controlled promotional setup inside an Insta360 store in Shenzhen. And yeah, the person holding the device was not a random employee either, more like a model or influencer, which brands use all the time for demo content. You know, it's funny, once you realize that, the whole narrative flips. This was not a mistake. This was intentional exposure, and companies usually do this when a product is basically finished and ready to launch. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Controlled leaks are a very specific strategy. They let people see the product, start talking about it, but without committing to a full announcement yet. It builds curiosity without pressure. And in my experience, this usually means one thing. The product is close, like really close. So instead of random rumors floating around, what we're seeing now feels like the first step of an actual rollout. And that is a big shift. So, what do we know about the device itself? The rumors still line up pretty well. Insta360 Luna is expected to bring a dual camera system with a standard wide lens and a telephoto lens offering around 3 times optical zoom. And that is a big deal, because in this pocket gimbal category, zoom is usually digital, not optical. Think of it like this. Most compact cameras crop in. Luna might actually let you zoom without losing quality. That alone could make it stand out instantly. Now, there's also been talk about a modular design, but here's where I'm a little cautious. Earlier leaks showed something that looked very different from what we're seeing now, and that usually means those were prototype units. So while modular sounds exciting on paper, I would not fully buy into it until we see a finalized version. Specs are one thing, but real-world usability? That's a whole different game. So, what does all this add up to? Timing-wise, everything still points toward a launch in early 2026, likely March or April, with China getting it first. And this kind of controlled store exposure fits perfectly into that timeline. This is the stage right before things go official. So yeah, this is not just another leak anymore. It feels like the beginning of Insta360's actual launch strategy. And if Luna delivers on that dual camera idea, things could get very interesting in the pocket camera space. So, what do you think? Is this the upgrade you've been waiting for, or just another overhyped gadget? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss what comes next.